Hi, this is Scott Nachatilo with OKC Home Realty, and I wanted to talk with you about property management fees, which are one of the two main administrative fees that you're charged for having property management done. And for us, the property management includes collecting the rents and taking any requests from the tenant to have things done in the property. And usually that's the most common one, is having maintenance done at the property. Now we have maintenance technicians on staff, and so we've got we got many ways to handle service calls if they come up. Also contacts with a lot of contractors if it's a big job or something a little bit out of the ordinary. We can also work with warranty companies if you have a warranty service agreement on your property. We can just make contact with your warranty company to have them come and take care of that. And then the last thing is the accounting. And so the accounting includes making an itemized monthly statement for the property that's going to show income and expenses from the last 30 days for the property. And if there's invoices, making sure we have copies of the invoices, including copies of receipts and things, so that it's crystal clear if there was money spent, what it was spent for, how much, exactly how much the rent was, if there were late fees, all those things together. And we charge 10% of the rent for our property management fee, up to a maximum of $100 per month for one particular unit. So if let's say you had a house that rents for $1,300 per month, that means that the property management fee on our end would be $100 per month for that property. If you want to talk to us about managing your property, please get in contact. We'll be glad to talk with you about that.